I just wanted to show you guys how you can create something using AI, even if you have no skill whatsoever in the actual thing that you're trying to create. So in this case, a while back, once Chat GPT's image development skills got a little bit better, I thought I'd try my hand at some kind of photoshopping design style work just using Chat GPT while I was out and about on the phone with my app. If you have no creativity and you want AI just to create an output for you and solve all your problems, you're going to get absolutely nowhere. But this experiment showed me that if you have a little bit of creativity, you can build something, you can imagine what you want it to be, and you're happy for it to evolve as it goes. You don't need a specific finished output. Then you're going to work really well with AI to supercharge your outputs. While I was out in London one time with my kids, we were walking past the Tate Modern. I saw a building that I really liked, and it reminded me of a video game that I play, Call of Duty. And I thought it would be fun to use that scene to create a character of me within the game to see what my image creation skills will be like. So this is the building that I actually saw outside the Tate Modern. I really liked the building because it reminded me of the game that I play, Call of Duty, and the style of buildings that are in it. And I love this neon. It looked really cool on top of this building with "You belong here." I thought the contrast between the blocky building and the style of neon was really cool, and I'd have loved to see that neon on. But I wanted to create something out of that. So what I did was try to update the image, just asked in just plain language how we can update that with pink sort of style, neon sign. So I ended up with this, changed quite a lot of stuff, to be honest, too dark, and also changed the copy on that, which I didn't like. So simple prompt, bit lighter, evening, writing to say you belong here. So I'm not doing any complex kind of prompts here. I'm just trying to experiment, see what I can get out of it. So I ended up getting this, which I really liked and I thought was pretty cool. And I wanted to evolve it further. So I asked it to look like it had been destroyed and become derelict, like kind of scene that you would see within the game. So then evolved the image to look like this. Still didn't quite like it because I felt the neons looked too clean. It's as if someone had put a neon sign on top of a derelict building. And so then I created this "You belong here," which I thought was kind of dark and a nice sort of dystopian image, sort of sci-fi vibes, which is what I was going for. Okay, next I wanted to create a character. So from the very same day out, here's a picture of my family, with my family obviously cut out. I was wearing this rather fetching leopard print jacket, which I got from a charity store. I wanted to create a character that had the essence of me, but looked like it was from within the game. So another simple prompt. I also dropped in a character from the game here. This is what the typical graphics look like and what the game characters would look like within the game. And it came out with this. Unfortunately, it was more of an 8-bit type style, which probably because I put sprite in there. So just another simple prompt. Wanted it to way more modern video games. Again, very casual language with a pink neon sign. And then it output this. So I thought this was really cool. I was super happy with the output. It looks kind of like me. It looks dark, dystopian. You've got the image of the building that I liked in the background with "You belong here," my outfit, and in the style of the game. I have zero graphic design skills. You can see from the prompts that there is no specialist types of prompts going on. Obviously, if I was a really skilled designer like the creative director we have at Brandcast Health, I could create something super bespoke. But I just wanted to see where it goes. And I think for me, this shows that if you just type in a big prompt with super details, you think you know exactly what you want, as if you were a designer, the output you get is not going to be accurate. It's not going to be something that you like. However, if you're prepared to be creative, see things, take inspiration, put something together, the sum of all those parts are all part of you. And what the AI has done is just to help you construct something that you would never have been able to do otherwise. And I think this is how AI is going to help us creatively through writing, through web design, and all aspects of marketing. I think you just have to take the right approach, bring some insight, bring some creativity, bring some strategy, and then use AI to make your job and your life a lot easier. Thanks for the support as always. I'll see you on the next one.